Hey squad, welcome back to my channel. I hope that this video finds you in excellent, wonderful spirits. So let's go ahead and get this party started. I'm going to start off with the Derma Blend setting powder. So we're just using this to soak up the oil on our eyelids. If you don't have oily eyelids, as always, you can definitely skip this part. So for the eye base, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain. You gotta love yourself, guys. You know, we talk about that all the time. It's not up to your partner to make you happy, and it's not up to your partner to make you feel good about yourself. It's not up to your family to make you feel good about yourself. That has to come from in here. And when other people realize what you have, that's just like the cherry on top, right? Because you already know what you have. You already know what you have going for yourself. You don't need someone else to tell you that you have that. But when they do recognize it and see that, you're like, all right, cool. Just cool. It's cool. It's all right. It's cool. Just take it for that and just move on, right? Don't become conceited or war with it. Just, that's cool. I like that. Thank you. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and get started on this look. Whatever look I'm going to do, which I have no idea what I'm going to do. So yeah. All right. So we're going to go in with, wait, oh, I had the right way. Sorry, guys. We're going to go in with the matte book right here. And we're going to go in with this color right here, this one, and maybe the green too. We're going to see how that all works out. I don't have a plan. We're just going with the flow. So to apply that first color, I used the E28 brush, which is another kind of, this one isn't as pointed. It's more domey than the one I've used before. And now I'm going to go in with the M578 brush. And I like this one. It's another pencil brush. And I'm going to go in and let's see if the green shows up. All right, now that we have that blended, we're going to go in with the Morphe Y22 brush. And this is like a thinner kind of pencil brush. So it's not as thick as the other one. And that's what we're going to use to apply that darker eyeshadow. So that's not showing up as I thought it was. I didn't realize the other part was going to be so dark. So I'm going to go in with the Atlantis palette and use this shade right here. I added a bit of lighter green on top of that darker green just to kind of bring the green out some more. So yeah, that's what I have there. Now I'm going to go into the mini Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going to use this shade right here. Okay, you just want to use a packing motion to pack that color on. And then I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And we're going to pack that right in between that darker blue shade we laid down and this seafoamy greeny kind of teal color. Well, I guess it's a turquoise, maybe not a seafoam green. We're just going to pack that in between. That way it just kind of blends those blends those two colors together and gives us like a seamless transition between the colors. And I'm just kind of using a packing motion and then kind of a windshield wiper motion after that. And when using like shimmers and metallic foils like that, I like to use a packing motion a lot to apply the color, because if you use too much of a windshield wiper motion, it will move the pigment into like your matte shade. So if you're trying to keep certain areas matte, just be careful with those shimmery kind of metallic foil type eyeshadows, because if they have some fallout and you're doing like this and flicking, you'll flick that over into your matte, and then the matte will take on that finish, and that might not be what you're going for. Okay, and I'm going to take Light Gold Cosmetics Pigment in Junko. And that looks like this right here. So it's like blue and green flakes in there with like a magenta color. So I'm going to take this random setting spray that I have and just spray the brush, get it wet. Alright, and that's the look, not the look, this is what the pigment looks like. When you really wet your brush with the setting spray, you're going to get more of like a paste with the pigment, and then you can make it more of a metallic kind of shade. If you use less, of course it'll be less, it'll be more of a glittery pigment, and then it won't be as thick, of course. And then you could always use, of course, eyeshadow glue or glitter adhesive, and that will give more of the shimmery glittery effect. So if you want more of a heavy metallic finish, use a lot of setting spray, spray it down, use it while it's wet, it forms a paste. If you kind of want in between a metallic shade and more in the shimmer, then just use a little bit of setting spray. And then of course, if you want to get more of a shimmer glittery finish from the pigment, just use an adhesive on your eyelid, and that will give you that. So I wanted more of a metallic finish with this one, so I went with the heavier method. All right, I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner. I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. We're just going to create a winged liner. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you the two-in-one kind of combo to get ready with me with the unit initial unboxing. So I've been eyeing this unit for months and months now, and I kind of want the color in a stock card, but then I saw other colors and I couldn't decide, and everybody kept selling out, and woo-to-woo, finally they restocked. Then I missed the opportunity again because I couldn't decide on the color. So anyway, I finally found it, and so I went with, this is an older unit. She's not old, but I think she came out beginning of this year, end of last year, can't remember. This is Sensationnel three-way parting Jocelyn. So here she is right here, and I went ahead and got what's on the stock card, which is a T4 Mauve. Okay, so this is Jocelyn, and I decided not to go with the Dusty Rose because it was kind of a more on the rose gold side, and I don't know, me and rose gold, the wigs, sometimes they're too pinky. I don't know, they don't look right on my skin tone, against my skin tone. Then there was another pink color, which was Vintage Rose, which was kind of like a pink with, I can't remember what color is going through. So anyway, those are the specialty colors. She comes in a lot of different specialty colors. And then I really want to try that mustard color, which is that yellow color that I've seen people wear. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know if I can pull it off. I might be too light skinned. I don't know. But I really want to try it. But there's the lace right there. So she has a lace front, like they said. And there's the parting space. She comes with 2 combs in the temple area. And then she has a comb in the back with adjustable straps. I'm going to go ahead and undo the straps. I don't think it says it on the card, but she does come with baby hairs. Okay, she's big head friendly-ish. You know, still parts of my hair showing out. Okay, so this is her as a middle part, and then you can shift her. This is her shifted to the left. That's really pretty. I love this color. And this is her shifted to the right. So I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, she's gorgeous, guys. She is gorgeous. I am getting some strands from her, but I'm going to wear her as a middle part. That's just easiest for me. I got a lot of stuff to do today at work, so I won't have to worry about hair in my face. So whenever I update her, I might I'll let you guys know if I ever got a chance to customize that hairline. Alright squad, so I was running out of time, so I didn't speak on the last parts of this video. So what I'm doing is using the crayon case highlighter concealer in number 5 and using that to conceal my under eye areas and light acne scars that I have on my face. And then I'm going to set that with the Amalewa Photogenic compact powder in Milky Way. And then also I'm going to use the crayon case chalk dust in O. So, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this look. I had fun doing this combination. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget the notifications so you can know when new videos head your way. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.